Hi everyone, my name is Jan Carvin A. Salmete. I'm the leader of Group 10. Now we are discussing about academic presentation. What is academic presentation? You also need to be well prepared for oral public speaking, such adhering to time constraint, maintain eye contact, increasing with the audience, and the like if you want to be an excellent presenter.
Visual aid is typically used to help an audience understand and remember information in presentation. It can also be used to maintain an audience attention, inspire listener to action. To clarify the organization presentation or make a presentation more persuasive. So this is the six you need to do to improve your visual aids presentation. Number one is capture attention, and number two is clarify and simplify. Number three is reinforce and emphasize, and number four is credibility and proportionalism, and number five, interaction and feedback.
Delivering presentation. Here are some simple suggestions to consider the delivery presentation is effectively. First of all, speak slowly. Nerves can make you rush, but try and moderate your speech. Take a breath at the end of every sentence or point you make. Face the audience. To give a confident expression regularly. Make eye contact with your audience. Decide how to handle audience question. Decide how you will handle question during the presentation. And either request the audience to wait until you are finished with your presentation or make sure you will have time to answer the question in the middle of your presentation.
My name is John Girl Timothy. I will discuss in the Know Your Audience. Know your audience is a fundamental principle that emphasizes the importance of understanding who your target audience is, their needs, preferences, behaviors, and motivations. So why is it important? Relevant messaging. When you understand your audience, you can create a message that resonates with them, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversation. You can tailor your content to meet the specific needs, interests of your audience, making it more effective and relevant. Improve relationships by understanding your audience's values, concerns, and goals. You can build stronger relationships with them, fostering trust and loyalty. Increase effectiveness helps you allocate resources more efficiently as you can focus on the most effective channels and strategies to reach your target audience. Better decision making. By understanding your audience's needs and behaviors, you can make informed decisions about product development, marketing strategies, and business growth.
Adhere adhere time limit. Before preparing the materials for your presentation, you have to know how much time you are given to present. Preparation can include research, gather material efficiently to avoid information overload, and also create a detailed outline to organize content logically, and also have a practice. Practice is very important. Rehearse the presentation multiple times to gauge timing. And also, you can use timer during practice sessions to adjust the pacing. And lastly, the flexibility. The flexibility is prepared to adjust the presentation on the fly if necessary, and also can develop strategies for summarizing points running out of time.
Practice your presentation. Rehearse your subject in front of mirror, your friends to get comfort with it. Uh, uh, Record your practice to identify areas for improvement. Use visual assistant during rehearsal. Do not over practice. Remember to reset. Always to practice in front of other people to get comfortable in your presentation.
Number 6 is the check the room in advance. So before your presentation, visit the room to know how your space look like. Seeing the room will help you. You remind how to get in to avoid rushing to area on the presentation day. So this is like to be ready or maganda.
Transition words are words that help writing move smoothly from one topic to another without confusing the reader. Words like however, next, or in conclusion prepare the reader by signaling that the topic is shifting. Transition words can introduce new or contrasting ideas, show cause and effect relationships, and from other connection between different sentences.
Ensure that the closing is unnatural to end session. You have to ask if the audience if they have any questions. Give them your contact information and mention that they can reach you. And also, you can add Q&A session to allocate time for questions and answers to engage with the audience. Last is prepare for the potential question and practice responses. After that, express gratitude to the audience for their time and attention. That's for all.